Hey there! Are you running a sales team and need to find out what deals they will close this month? eWay-CRM Online makes it super easy. I'm Eve, your virtual consultant, and today I'll show you how to quickly review your sales pipeline. Let's get started. Because we want to find out what deals will be closed this month, we need our sales reps to keep deals up to date. This requires them to do two activities: saving emails and notes to eWay-CRM and keeping the field estimated close date up to date. This field tells us when the sales rep expects the deal to be closed. Let me quickly open a deal to show you where it is. Here we are. When it's time to do your checkup, go to Deals and choose the View Deals Closing this month. 5 deals for almost $200,000. Let's close as many of them as we can. Select the first one to activate the preview panel. The preview panel contains complete details about the deal, including the most recent history of communications and the next steps. What's going on here? My colleague Grady has already agreed with the client to send the contract. Great! To move to the next deal, simply press the key down on your keyboard. This will update data in the preview panel. This deal says the client still has to consult with his boss. There is still plenty of time before the end of the month, so let's hope they will make it. There is a reminder task set up for next week to follow up with the client, so we are safe. Another key down to move to the next deal. Here is a note from my colleague Linda that the customer is in the hospital. She will get back to her in 2 weeks, so we probably won't close this one. Let's ask Linda to update the deal using Microsoft Teams. Chat in Teams and select Linda. Click Chat. eWay-CRM will automatically include the link that opens the deal. Linda can easily find out what I'm talking about. Hey Linda, I'm reviewing our pipeline and noticed this deal. We probably won't close it this month, right? Can you update the close date, please? Also, send Emma my best when you talk to her. Will do, boss. You can keep pressing the key down to review the rest of your pipeline. It's so easy. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.